At the bottom of page 13, you have ateryentare. So let's talk about how to conjugate this verb. In the introductory course, you worked with conjugating this verb with the first 5 prefixes. We're going to expand your knowledge now and work with the entire set. Wagaderyandare, saderyandare, roderyandare, yagoderyandare, yoderyandare, yungiaderyandare, yungiaderyandare, jaderyandare, ronaderyandare, yonaderyandare, yunguaderyandare, yunguaderyandare, sewaderyandare, ronaderyandare, yonaderyandare. Let's go back to page 3 of your prefix charts and take a look at the set that we're using to conjugate this verb, and that is right here on the bottom. So let's take a look at those prefixes. This is the set that you'll be working with, and on the following page of your charts is where we'll talk about the rules associated with this set. So on page 4, let's look at the rules associated with this set. We have this group of exceptions right here, where we talk about this underlined letter O. So just remember that this underlined and italicized letter O is going to replace the first vowel in the verb root. So the letter A from ateryentare is going to disappear and be replaced by this letter. So where we don't have that rule, we would have the entire verb root, wagaderyandare, saderyandare, yungiaderyandare, and so on. And where we have our exception, the A disappears and we will get roderyandare, yagoderyandare, yoderyandare. The O is stronger than the A, so the O beats the A. That's one of our rules. Ateryentare has the falling tone accent. See, our accent here goes on a down stress and followed by the colon. That accent is called a falling tone, which you can learn more about in our stresses, accents, and punctuation video and page. So also on the page in our lesson block on Schoology, we have a blank verb chart for you to practice filling out and practice conjugating the verb on your own so that you can best remember the prefix set and how to conjugate with the rules. So the top of this page, or the first page of this exercise is blank for you to practice filling out on your own and guess and test yourself. And on the second page of the blank charts for this verb root, you have all of the answers. The first column is the prefixes for the A stems, the second column is the conjugation, and then you have the translation. So you can work on testing yourself.